Hi family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to Rosy Natural. My name is Rose and this is one of my natural hairstyling videos. But before I start styling, I would like to show you how I keep my hair stretched mostly before I do my natural hairstyles. So what I do is to moisturize my hair the previous day and put it in 2-strand twists. Some of the times I stretch my hair with threading, but for some time now I do more of 2-strand twists when it comes to stretching my hair before styling it. I kind of like the look and feel of the hairstyle when I use a twist out. So on the day of styling, I apply oil to my fingers and take down the twists. I usually don't do extra products unless maybe the twists are 2 or 3 days old, or unless the moisturizing I did the previous day didn't really go well. This hairstyle was actually inspired by some straight natural hairstyle videos that I've watched, and I thought why not try it on my type 4 natural hair because it looked so simple. It's not the exact same hairstyle, but the use of rubber bands and the twisting of the hair came with so many different hairstyles. So I thought I should try doing something like that with my type 4 natural hair. If you are new and wondering what goes on this channel, this is Rosy Natural. My name is Rose, and on this channel I share my natural hair journey, which includes hair care, hairstyles, and a few DIYs to help with the natural hair journey. So if this is something you are interested in, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. So all is done now. I just tried to reshape the hair, do some adjustments here and there, and voila, I was done. So that is plain water. I just sprayed it on and brushed it down to kind of keep the flyaways in check. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click the like button so that YouTube will recommend this to others who are in need of such content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.